We are fixing a new to us chair. We're gonna need some paper towel. And I think what we're gonna do is right in here, here's Allen keys. So what we're gonna do is you press this button. It's usually this guy, but this looks a little big. Let's see. Too big.
Watch us fix this chair.
This one? See, that one fits in there. Fit? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take this guy out though. So we put it in, and once it's out, just put this in like this. Here, now just twist it like that. You know what you might even like? If I put this here, hop out for a second. And now here, one more second. Watch out, Rosie, you're inside it right now. Okay. I'll start that one for you. Well, it's tight. Ah, now we can glue that. So we got that one we can glue. And how's this one? That one's even loose. I think we'll pop out this other front one here too, Rose. Let's move this over. Can you hold this?
I got my own money back. I'll show you. I got my own money.
You got your own money? Let's see. Oh, that's a lot. And you got pearls in there too. He's got his own money. Okie dokie, Gilbert or Rosie. Let's put this in there.
Anyhow.
So that one, like.
Dad, buy something with my money.
Other way down.
I got buy something with my money.
I don't know. What are you gonna buy? Well, you want to buy Mom some flowers?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Okay, try that.
Mom, I'll buy.
Just down. You just go down once. Okay, now that's in. So the other way, and you twist it towards Dad with your finger right here. You have to keep it in though, like that. There you go. Put your fingers up a little higher so you can see the screw, because you can't see what you're doing. There you go. Okay, pull that tool off. Now just twist it towards Dad. Nope, yeah, there you go. Put it in the bowl. Tightly pull it towards Dad. And you keep your hand up high like that, towards Dad. There you go. Now we have to take it off.
Dad, I like that.
Watch your hands, sweetie. It's hard when it's like that, eh? There we go. Okay, now it should work. Okay, try. Okay, we're good. We're out. You can leave that, Rose. You can probably even put this other one back in just a bit. Just leave it like that, because we are going to. So we're gonna put glue in all the spots. But see right here, we've got a crack. Just so the camera. We've got a crack right here. It's a pretty good one.
Yeah, it's wiggling around like
Let's
that.
see. Oh, that's bad.
And right here.
So we gotta fix it, right?
Like this. Yeah.
Okay, Rosie. So we're not gonna use those right now. We are going to. We have glue in here, and it's gonna be a big mess.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really big mess.
Okay, so we.
Are gonna need paper towel.
Or maybe I can just do the old flip flop. Okay. Can we? You want to dab your finger around it?
Yeah.
Oh, there, that one's good. Here, you do the other side. Okay, that looks pretty good, what you did there. Oh, okay, now let's take this. Does it matter up or down? Doesn't really say. So let's also put it in here. Let's see how that works. So that's gonna go like that. Okay, Rosie, this one's gonna go there. Oh, okay, that's gonna go like that.
That's gonna be screwed.
Can you screw that in? So now we're going to screw the other way.
Yeah, other way. Last time it was the way over.
Oh, don't pick. Okay, that looks. Let's get that nice and tight. I'll just leave them on.
Why?
Well, that one says, this chair is intended for residential use. So I guess they don't want to use it for at a business. Maybe they think because you'll use it harder or more wear and tear, right?
Yeah, because they don't want to fix this chair.
Or maybe there's different like insurances or.
I think this I think just keep both off. That's why they're just good there.
Yeah, maybe.
They tried to work on it, but it didn't work.
Okay, now let's clamp this together, Rose. So, okay, let's just get something like this. Can you hold that book right there? I'm gonna hold that book there. Here we go. Whoa! I'm on there. And I'm on there.
That is that screwing in the box.
No, it's just like pulling this together, but it's weird. There's quite the gap there. The other ones. Okay, so now we'll take some paper towel, like this, sweetie pie. Can you just wipe up the paper, the glue there? Oh, I see. There's screws that were supposed to go in to the chair there as well to suck them in. So I'll go get some of those. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. I'll get some of those and we'll suck that in. Okay? I'll be right back. So we've got these 2-inch and these 1.25" Craig pocket screws. Okay, definitely tight there. I kind of think I should almost put a little cleat right there, hey? I think down below here I should just put a little piece of wood, little wood cleat. I'm gonna go see what I can find. You're a professional fixer. I know you can do it. Okay. Eight and 3/4. Okay, now we should just maybe. Oh, We'll hit the little sandpaper to the back of this. It's already pretty rough. Just so that it sticks better. We'll glue it and then we'll screw it. Alright, back in the house we go.
We are putting glue on a stick.
We're putting glue on the stick, and this is going to be our little cleat to fix a crack on the chair.
Yeah.
This is one of the cross members, so we're just going to glue both sides again with the Elmer's glue. We'll squeeze it into position, and then we're screwing it down.
Screwing the stick into the chair.
And just wiping off the excess glue.
We're using ropes to tighten it and make sure it stays in place.
Yeah, Steve. Can you help? That's right. I didn't have clamps, and I wasn't quite sure how to do this one section to squeeze them together. I ran out of clamps, I should say. So we're using Costco ratchet straps. Let's hope that Elmer's glue is as good as PL Premium. I'm doubtful. All right, we are on to chair number 2, and we need to put this stick back in that broke. So we mixed up some 2-part epoxy, gray epoxy, and we're just putting it on both sides. And then we're gonna put a little bit on the stick and put the stick in place, and then clamp it together. Okay, that's number 2. We used epoxy on that one. So it's a new day and we're taking off the ratchet straps on the chair. Here we are. We'll just pull that off. That is as hard as a rock right there. And so that is as good as new. There we go. Look at it. Let's take these off. Oh, this one. Can you do these ones? Oh, you got it. That was your work?
That's cool. Well, it used to be, but I don't know.
Whoa. Okay, we gotta take these clamps off. The clamps on the inside. Oh, you put it back on, thanks.
I did?
Yeah, just hit that button right here. You just kind of do this. And then when you get it, you can pull it towards that. Over. There you go. This one, you just pull that down with the towards the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a load of glue down there. Just leave that in. I guess don't jump on it. Whoa. Obviously that glue is still sitting right there.
Oh, this was a pack?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like one.
I glued it.
What's up with it?
Maybe we'll put this, we'll switch them up so the kids. That one's off, right?
What? Why did you do that?
That was my love.